Pairing your Roku remote without a pairing button.
Welcome everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how you can pair your Roku remote even if it doesn't have a pairing button. The Roku remote is a key component to navigate through your Roku player. But what if your remote doesn't have a pairing button? Don't worry, you can still get it working.
Understanding Roku remote types.
Before diving into the process, it's important to know that there are two types of Roku remotes. The first one is the enhanced Point Anywhere remote that works with wireless communication, usually through radio frequency, RF. The second one is the infrared, IR, remote that requires a direct line of sight with the Roku device. IR remotes are the ones that usually lack a pairing button. The good news is that these IR remotes don't actually require pairing to function. They should work as soon as you plug in your Roku device and insert batteries into your remote.
Troubleshooting IR Roku remotes.
If your Roku remote isn't working, let's try a few troubleshooting steps. 1. Check batteries. The simplest check is to ensure your remote's batteries are inserted correctly and are not drained. If in doubt, try swapping them out with a fresh pair. 2. Clear obstructions. Since IR remotes require a clear line of sight to function, ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and the Roku device. Also, try pointing the remote directly at the device. 3. Reset your Roku device. Unplug your Roku player from the wall outlet or the device, wait for about a minute, then plug it back in. This often solves a variety of issues.
When nothing else works.
If your Roku remote is still not responding after all these steps, it's possible that the remote might be defective. If you are within your warranty period, consider reaching out to Roku customer service for a potential replacement. Alternatively, you can control your Roku player using the Roku mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. This can serve as a temporary solution while you figure out the next steps for your remote. That's it. By now, you should know how to troubleshoot your Roku remote without a pairing button. Remember, IR remotes don't require pairing, so check your batteries, clear any obstructions, and reset your device if needed. If all else fails, don't forget the Roku mobile app as a backup. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.